smells delicious in here. Small little place. And it's only takeout. So this is what we ordered. A Shirewood mac and cheese, which is freshly made in-house. An Ultimo burrito. That's got pulled pork and just about everything under the sun. As well as a half-pound brisket sandwich. Total cost was $39. That includes tip. And it's supposed to be good. So here's the fresh Shire mac and cheese.
Brisket sandwich.
Oh my god. And the burrito, which you'll see later on when we open it.
When we crack it open.
This looks delicious.
Okay guys, so we got our food. I'm gonna try the mac and cheese first. Now, they gave us a 10% discount on each food item since it was the first time we've ever been here, which was kick-ass. The guys that own this place are from Florida, so they know Southern food. Her name is Kira. There's Tony and Alex. So shout out to you guys. They also gave us some extra sauces, some dill, basically like a deviled egg sauce, sweet barbecue, the Alabama white sauce, and there's the spicy tangy barbecue. And their favorite, or Kira's favorite, is the Hot John barbecue. I cannot wait to try it. So first things first, mac and cheese.
Made fresh in-house. Shire mac and cheese because
It is
you're at the Shire Wood Smoked BBQ restaurant.
All right, I'm
here
trying
in
it,
Houlton.
guys.
All right, let's see it first of all. It's very
It's a
hard.
white cheddar. It's going in my pie hole. The noodles are not mushy at all. The cheese sauce is a sharp cheddar. It's tangy, really creamy, and then they have a cornmeal crust on top. Really good, guys. I think this is the best mac and cheese side I've had, really. They're not really good at mac
Please
and cheese.
excuse all the noise, guys. We're eating outside because it's only takeout.
All right.
So
That is delicious. Next up, the brisket sandwich.
Just show a little bit of what's inside there.
Oh my god.
How does it compare to Buc-ee's, do you think?
Oh, we'll see.
We're gonna find out. Anyway, it smells delicious.
Yep.
It's supposed to be melt in your mouth.
Mouth in your mouth.
Mouth in your mouth. Well, it's gonna be in the mouth in 10 seconds. Let's go. Try her out. Mashed for extra fat too.
That is good. That's really good.
How does
Melt
it compare
in the mouth.
to Buc-ee's though?
Listen.
Look at
That
the fat.
is-
It looks delicious.
The smoke is not too smoky where it's overwhelming. It's a nice light smoke flavor. The sauce that's in it, there's not too much. It's nice and tangy, sweet, no heat, but we do have a hot sauce to pour over
We have
it.
the extra sauces.
The sauces aren't needed though. The meat itself is so tender and tasty. No sauce needed. Really good.
I'll be the judge of that.
Really good brisket
I did
sandwich.
taste the mac and cheese, and guys, it is fire.
Fire.
It is al dente, cooked perfectly,
Yeah.
and creamy, and the little crumbles on top, extra good.
Yep.
Highly
Really good.
recommended. So last but not least, let's try your burrito,
My burrito.
which has pulled pork in it.
Pulled pork.
It's got beans, refined
Fried
beans.
beans. Some pico de gallo. I'm gonna break it right in half, guys.
Let's see. hold
Just
on.
so. Ooh. Street corn. Oh, there's the pork. Guys, look at that.
Whoa.
Look at that.
That looks good.
All right. They are not skimping on the meat.
No, she
At
said.
all.
She said that they pack it up.
All right. I'm just going in with no sauces.
She's loving her food. You moving to Houlton?
Oh my god, it's so good. The pulled pork, on point. Whatever the sauce is, really good. But that pulled pork is so tender. It's so juicy. out of this world. I'm gonna try a sauce though, because she really recommended the John's hot sauce. She said I had to have it. So
Let's see. Try it on. That's the hot one?
it's the John's hot sauce.
Oh, let's
It's
see.
a pepper sauce and a white sauce together.
Oh,
I should have poured it.
look at it.
I
The
should have
sauce
poured
looks
it.
really interesting.
Okay, let me go for it.
All right, let's go.
Oh, that's a good sauce.
They're they're all house made too.
You can put a boot on that. It'll taste good.
Put it on a boot.
Put it on a boot. Don't put a boot on the sauce. Oh my god, guys. Delicious.
We got to come back here.
Small little town with great barbecue. It's a must if you're ever in small town Houlton. Come and try it out. Excellent. Excellent food. Like and subscribe.